say we're going to do a 60-second video. This is something that's going to require a lot of editing from me. I'm not the best with editing. So let's just show me a sample. How easy is this to really do?
Sure. So there are a couple options when it comes to editing. If you're concerned, let me go first with, if you have some comfort with editing, I would recommend the app CapCut for anyone that's like, I do want to edit. I want to do a little bit more editing. For anyone that does not, it's free, and there's a lot of features, like you can do effects, you can do text, you can cut things, you can all sorts of things on CapCut. I use it, I like it. I'm a video editor though, okay? Not everybody is. So if you want the easiest option for you, use the TikTok app. Look, you don't even have to use anything else. Isn't that wonderful? So, all right, what's behind me? So I'm here. Wow, look at my hair. I came back from a run just now. Can you see that? That's amazing. You click the record button and you start talking a little bit and you can let go. And then I can think about, what am I going to say next? What am I going to say next? I don't even know. Oh, I thought of something. Great. So now I record this thought and I can even zoom in just by dragging my finger up and down for dramatic effect. It doesn't look like it's doing that live when I'm recording. And
there it is.
There it is. Okay, so you can see it afterward. Good. So then I'm over here, I'm talking, and you just blah 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 blah. I get some different angles. Look at my running hair. Look at my running hair. There you go. Okay. So at the top left, you can see that we've got a couple different clips going on. And let's say you didn't like the last one, you can go back, hit that X, discard last clip. Yes, please. Record another one of my running hair. Love it. Now we're feeling good about all this. You hit the check mark and you start talking a little bit. So now I record this thought. I can zoom in just by dragging my finger. I turned the volume down, but I think you can still hear it. At this point, I clicked the adjust clips button. So that second button down, do you see that? Adjust clips?
Nope.
On the right.
I see it. Yep.
I click that. And when I click on each individual clip, I can edit the start period and the end period of each clip so that it really lines up right when I'm talking. Hit check, go to the next clip. So you're still editing a little bit here, but I feel like it's really simple in the TikTok app. And this is just for a talking head video. I mean, there's also trends, and sometimes you're not editing yourself talking with those, you're just talking along, you're saying something along with a sound. I could do one of those quick if you want, but then you hit save once you've adjusted the clips. So let me quick show you if I have a sound here. I love Schitt's Creek. I'm just gonna click on the Schitt's Creek one. Actually, I would probably personally hit the timer, which is on the right there. You see the second one from the bottom.
On the bottom, yeah.
And this screen is unfortunately going to lag, I think. But it will count down. There you go.
I have never heard someone say so many wrong things, one after the other, consecutively in a row.
Usually you can listen to yourself. No, it's not going to work for us. You can listen to yourself and you can see if it matches well. And if it doesn't match well, you just redo it. If you have to redo it 10 times, that's normal. It's fine. So you're just trying to say what they're saying in the sound. And
okay. And let's see, how would someone in our sphere use that? So they would take those words and put it to.
You want to add text to the video to really get your point across. And so something like that's saying, I've never heard someone say so many wrong things all at the same time. You might, let me turn the volume down and then go back a screen. Church has to be inside. Let's say you have an outside church, let's say you have an outside church service that you're really excited about. You could say, me when I hear someone say that church has to be inside, or that church Christians can't be affirming that this Bible passage means this, whatever. You can do so many things with that. you put the text on it, you've done the trend. The trend is a trending audio, so it picks up a little more steam on TikTok than normal. You've made a video and you didn't have to edit that much, right?